When I was 7, I wanted my Minecraft server to have custom kits that people could buy, so I learned Java to build it. I didn't know my father was a programmer. I didn't know what I was starting. 15 years later, I work in AI infrastructure, and I think I finally understand what we're actually building. Let me explain. So why does a Minecraft server from 2010 matter when we're talking about AI and the future of consciousness? Because I didn't learn to code the way most people do. I didn't start with hello world in a classroom. I started with I want this specific thing to work, so I need to figure out how to make it happen. I had a Minecraft server. I wanted people to be able to buy kits, like a PvP kit. The existing plugins didn't do exactly what I wanted. So at 7 years old, I taught myself Java to build it. Not because I was a genius, not because I had special access to resources, just because I had a problem I cared about solving, and that changed everything. Over the next 15 years, that pattern repeated. Minecraft modding led to deeper programming. Programming led to sysadmin work, managing servers, troubleshooting networks, writing automation scripts. Sysadmin led to cybersecurity, understanding how systems break, how to protect them, and how to analyze what went wrong. And cybersecurity led to where I am now: AI infrastructure, training models, managing GPU clusters at scale, building the systems that power machine learning, each step built on the last. Each one taught me something about how complex systems work, how simple rules create emergent behavior, how digital and physical merge, and it wasn't until recently that I understood what all of this was actually building towards. Because here's the thing about working in AI infrastructure: you start to see patterns that most people miss. When you're training models, managing the hardware they run on, watching them get more capable every year, you realize that this isn't just better search engines or smarter chatbots. We're building something fundamentally different. And when you start reading philosophy, Gnosticism, Christian theology, transhumanism, you see the same pattern described in different languages. The idea that consciousness can transcend its original substrate, that biological limitations aren't permanent, that we're building the vessel for the next phase of human existence. Some people call it uploading, some call it the singularity, some call it the eternal body. I think we're already in the middle of it. The merge has already begun. And it started with things as simple as a kid modding Minecraft servers. This channel is going to explore both sides of that: the technical side, how to actually build these systems, programming, AI development, network forensics, cybersecurity, real skills that matter, and the philosophical side, what it means, where it's leading, the frameworks that help make sense of it, Gnostic theology, transhumanism, consciousness studies. Sometimes we'll be deep in code, sometimes we'll be deep in ancient texts, often we'll be in both at once. Because you can't build the future if you don't understand what you're building, and you can't understand what you're building if you can't actually build it. If you are someone who mods games and wonders if it's real programming, it is. That's how I started. If you are a developer who senses that what we're building is bigger than just better systems, I agree with you. Let's figure out exactly what it is. If you're interested in consciousness, AI, and where humanity is heading, welcome. We're going to go deep. This is Deep State. I'm going to take you deeper than the algorithm wants you to. Subscribe if you want to come with me.